Hi guys, it's me, and if you're looking to buy the LG 37G800A B UltraGear 37-inch curved 4K monitor, the link is in the description. Let's talk about what makes this display a serious contender for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants an upgrade in screen real estate. At first glance, the 37-inch curved panel immediately commands attention. It wraps around your field of view, giving a feeling of immersion that standard monitors just can't match. The curve isn't overdone. It strikes a balance that's comfortable for extended use whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking. Sitting in front of this display, you notice how expansive it feels, giving room to see more in games and workflows alike. Performance is where this monitor shines. The 165Hz refresh rate combined with a 1 millisecond response time makes motion silky smooth. Fast-paced shooters, racing games, and even action-heavy RPGs feel responsive with no noticeable lag. FreeSync Premium Pro further reduces tearing and stuttering, making every frame seamless. Whether using a high-end GPU or a next-gen console, this monitor delivers a fluid and crisp experience. The visual quality is stunning. With 4K UHD resolution and DisplayHDR 600, colors pop and highlights feel dynamic. Dark areas maintain detail, bright colors feel vibrant, and overall the panel feels true to life. It's an excellent choice not only for gaming but also for creative work like photo editing, video production, or graphic design. The color accuracy and wide color gamut allow for professional-level precision without compromising entertainment value. Build quality and ergonomics are top-notch. The monitor has a clean matte black design with subtle gaming cues, giving it a premium aesthetic without being flashy. The stand offers tilt, height, and swivel adjustments, allowing you to find the ideal position for both comfort and immersion. Stability is excellent, so it doesn't wobble when adjusting or interacting with the desk. Connectivity options are forward-thinking. HDMI 2.1 supports high-bandwidth console gaming at 4K, while DisplayPort delivers reliable PC performance. USB Type-C provides a convenient single-cable solution for laptops or compatible devices, supporting both display output and power delivery. This makes it a great option for creative professionals or anyone who prefers a clean desk setup without multiple cables. Day-to-day usage highlights how versatile this monitor is. The wide 37-inch screen allows for multitasking and split-screen workflows without feeling cramped. Editing timelines, coding, or managing multiple windows becomes smoother, while gaming and video streaming benefit from the immersive curvature. You get the perfect mix of productivity and entertainment in one display. Overall, the LG 37G800AB is designed to be a do-it-all monitor. It delivers competitive gaming performance, cinematic visual quality, and functional space for professional work. Many monitors specialize in just one area, but this one combines them seamlessly. It's not just about flashy specs. It's about creating an experience where visuals, motion, and usability all meet at a high level. If you're looking for a single monitor that can handle gaming, content creation, and everyday computing, this display is one of the best options currently available. It brings a blend of performance, quality, and modern connectivity that's hard to beat. For anyone interested in upgrading their setup or diving into a premium ultra-wide gaming and productivity experience, the LG 37G800A B might just be the display you've been looking for. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab one for yourself.